third graders, today we're going to be focusing on word choice in your writing. And our mentor text is called Thanksgiving is the Best Holiday. The air is crisp and there's a nice cool breeze blowing colorful leaves around outside. Meanwhile, inside the house is the aroma of baked turkey, fluffy hot rolls, and homemade cinnamon apple pie. Cousins and friends are playing together while the parents are finishing up the delightful smelling dinner. Many of the guys are gathered around the television watching football. Finally, everyone in the family is called to the table to enjoy this wonderful holiday together. In my opinion, Thanksgiving is by far the best holiday. The biggest reason that Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday is because I get to spend quality time with friends and family. Many times we get so busy day to day with school and work, we don't get a chance to sit and visit with our family and friends. Thanksgiving is a time when my family spends most of the day together discussing what's new in our lives and sitting outside enjoying the beautiful fall weather. We often will go around the table person by person and share with each other what we are most thankful for. Making these awesome memories with family and friends is the main reason I adore Thanksgiving. Next, I love being able to eat the delicious variety of food all day long. We usually start Thanksgiving morning with cinnamon rolls and hot chocolate. They are usually dripping with icing and we get pretty messy when we eat them. Then we begin making the different dishes we are bringing to Thanksgiving dinner. Sometimes we'll make creamed corn, mashed potatoes with gravy or stuffing. When we join our family for Thanksgiving dinner, the assortment of food only gets bigger. The dinner table is covered from end to end with turkey, pumpkin pie, apple pie, rolls, deviled eggs, and cranberry sauce, just to name a few. Sometimes we are still snacking on leftovers well into the night. This is just another reason Thanksgiving is the best. Finally, I can't wait for the morning of Thanksgiving to watch the Thanksgiving Day parade on television. The parade originally started in 1924 and has been a Thanksgiving tradition ever since. If you have never witnessed the parade on television, you are missing out. The parade is full of singing, dancing, the most creative floats, and some of the best marching bands in the United States. Each year, Santa makes an appearance at the parade, so if you have not yet had the opportunity to observe this fantastic event, you need to make it a part of your next Thanksgiving. As you can see, Thanksgiving is a pretty amazing holiday. It's filled with great food, lovely company, as well as one of the most entertaining parades around. Can you think of a better holiday than Thanksgiving? This page in your packet is your assignment for today. You want to make your words and your writing interesting. So you can fill in that blank there with the word interesting. And then you are going to brainstorm as many ideas as you can think of for the word good and write different, more interesting words for good in this space right here. Then, fun. You're going to do the same thing here, except brainstorm as many as you can think of words that are substitute a more interesting word choice for the word fun. And then in this space, you are going to brainstorm different ideas for the words do better. So Write as many as you can think of in these three categories. Don't worry about the spelling. If there's something that you want to write down and you're not sure how to spell it, just spell it the best you can. You should have at least 3 in each category. So 3 words for good, 3 words for fun, 3 words for do better. And if you can think of more than 3, you should write as many as you can think of. Remember to save this packet in your writer's folder.